God damn it. Hey, Loperinos. Avi from Of Science and Swords here. Once again, check it out. We actually even went all corporate shill. And look, it's not just me. We did the full-on corporate Kris Kringle thing because I am a good boss. Ooh, yeah, and check out the back. Check out the back. All right, but no one wants to see that crap. What you want to see is the new Calimacil stuff, which we just got about 15 minutes ago, and we've sort of had to finish off a couple other tasks. But I am super excited because I can tell already that this particular box has their brand new Flamberge, which is all like wavy and stabby and Dopplesoldnery. Is that the...
Yeah, I think that's what they called it.
Cool. Oh man, how munted was this box though?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, Dopplesoldner.
Where are you?
Probably right down the bottom.
Some construction required. Why? Why does this always happen to me?
Because you enjoy making a spectacle of yourself.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. I actually think the sword looks kind of cool without the crossguard. That's just me. I also think that the crossguard makes a perfect.
I'm not cutting that off.
It's great. Oh god, it's cutting my circulation off. Really, do not do this. Oh god. Ow. Ow.
This is like when I got stuck in that hood.
Yep. All right.
No,
maybe.
Sorry.
Maybe I should just do this seriously, and that way Calimacil will still send us products. Wow, that slips on really easily. Like, compared to the Subas for any of the katanas. So, it's not too bad. It's very bottom heavy. Like, all the weight is right.
Do you want to compare that to your height?
That's a good point. But yeah, like, all the weight is like right here. You can really feel it. So it's a pretty big sword, seeing as I'm just shy of 6 foot. So wavy. Little bit sharp on the edge there because they've gone for that new sort of Cali sharp blade. I'm just gonna give you a poke there.
Squishy.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Control leaves a lot to be desired. Then again, that's what this part's for. I just wish that they maybe did like the hilts soft, like some of the other brands, so that way if people get in under you guys, you'd be like, kapow! But
Of Science and Swords does not officially endorse pommel bashing.
well, some of the brands are made for it.
Of Science and Swords does not officially endorse pommel bashing.
What else we got? Eric's. Everyone loves an Eric axe. Yay, we've got plenty of them in. And
Should be some of the Barocks in there too.
Oh, for the sword crafting, specifically the Edgar 4, because this is the perfect bastard length sword at your maximum limit range of 118 centimeters. What else we got?
Double check that measurement though.
How's the whippiness?
Of the Flamberge?
Yeah, I believe it's the Flamberge. We've just been asked how the whippiness.
It's not bad. So, like, if I bring it back up, it's a pity that you can't do slow-mo in live stream, but like, it's not at all like the old Highlander 2. Like, you can feel that it's got a bit of flex, because obviously they've got to have a bit of flex, otherwise they'll just snap. But it's not nearly as whippy as, say, the Jingu or the Highlander 2 was. It's a pity that the Highlander 3 is so short, huh? Oh well, you can always custom request the longer ones. But yes, blah 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 blah, the hunter knife from Destiny. Oh, look at it spinning. I'm not doing that. I'm totally doing that. Oh, I like that. It's got paracord, which has then been solidly glued down to it. Damn it! I was hoping we'd be able to do like the get over here. It's time for mortal hugging.
Burp dot.
No, it's just thicker foam in the middle. All right, so theoretically, you probably could use this at... Oh wait, no, that is a core. It's just a really thin, flexible one. Okay, you cannot use this as a throwing knife, but it's not as durable as the standard Cali knives, unfortunately, because I already heard it go creak when I bent it. That's a little bit unfortunate. This one's very definitely going to be a cosplay item, I feel. You probably could use it on field.
Or used for a quest in the tavern for shankings.
Yeah, it's a bit too modern for a medieval setting, though. You'd have to do a drastic repaint of it. And then, like, what's the point, right? That being said...
Definitely an option for Shattered Worlds, though.
Oh, yeah.
Or
After Fall, maybe.
for any post-apocalyptic
Yeah,
LARP would be
Project
fantastic.
Maybe we could start a Destiny LARP.
Let's
We're
not.
not starting a LARP.
Oh. Yeah, no, I like the design. I like the design. It's gonna be really good when the next Destiny DLC drops.
Didn't we just have one?
Possibly. Let's see what else we got. With the nice custom security seal, because they totally believe we're a legit business and not importing actual weapons like every time we get an order.
Yay, couriers.
Hey, at least it's not the aerosol cans that they decided to bring into the country and then ship back because it was too dangerous for them to be shipped.
By ground transport. They were totally fine on the plane. Alright, so here we have a whole bunch of the standard Cali daggers, because we know you guys love a good shanking, and yeah, way more durable than the Hunter's knife, unfortunately, for the Hunter's knife. But that's okay, it is what it is, it's a cosplay weapon, and, yes, noob swords! Dozens of noob swords! Cool. Well, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. We've only got the new products of the Dopplesoldner and the Hunter's Knife in, and I should stop threatening everyone. Hopefully next time we do a Cali unboxing, we'll have their new lightsabers. Pity we're going to miss them for Rogue One, but they're going to be so good when they come out, and then we'll finally be able to go and hit the guys from 501st, and they'll be like, "Oh, where you hit us?" And we're like, "Haha, it's all squishy," and they'll hit us with their saber forged ones, and we'll have broken teeth.